Wherever public officials and landowners are well educated and currently informed, you will find promotion of ecological landscaping. Over the past decade, states, counties, cities, and towns have created municipal websites to share important local information. Among these sites, you now regularly find recommendations to grow native plants. Often this advice begins with a question: why native plants? The answers follow: expression of local landscape character, preservation of species, and habitat protection. Just as often, the promotion of naturalized landscaping comes under the heading of stormwater management and pollution control. You see, a variety of native plants are quite adept at retaining rain and delivering it in a restrained fashion to the groundwater table, rather than feeding flooding conditions or contributing to runoff issues. In the past, some of the property owners who witnessed the rise of the natural landscaping movement were so confused and alarmed about the changes they saw in their communities as their neighbors began converting lawns into wild gardens, that they actually attempted to retard land stewardship practices by outlawing species that preserve natural resources. For a time, some native plant gardeners were made to kowtow, to beg for permission from neighbors and officials so their American flowers and grasses would be tolerated, as though being an environmentalist and botanical patriot made property owners second-class citizens. Rest assured, ecological restoration is inferior to no other form of landscaping. Those who once rose up to oppose it were simply ignorant, and those who continue to repress it today are falling behind the times. Lawn-only neighbors or municipal ruling bodies can assume no moral, aesthetic, or environmental superiority. There is no logic for opposing scientifically celebrated land care methods, no justification for denying property owners the right to upgrade their own environment. The dissenters' argument for a uniformly tamed landscape, boiled in emotions as the debate might have been, has been distilled into nothing but the vapor of personal preference, a bias, and that is all.